Well, it's been a long time since I've sat in a truck. I'm in another KW, but it's not my truck. My truck is actually going down to the valley, so this is a temporary truck. Should have my truck tomorrow. Today is, actually, I forgot what today's date is. Today is Wednesday. I'll be uploading this video later on tonight, most likely, so yeah, it'd be basically that date. I don't have my watch and I'm using my phone, but I don't know what this is. That's new. So yeah, I have no idea what that is or what to do with it, so I guess I'll have to ask the office when I get in there. I had to do a macro and update a few things in the computer just because I've been out for a while. But yeah, I gotta pre-trip the truck here, and yeah, there's even like this thing. Look, a new camera up there. So I kind of like that. It's a lot smaller than the one that was there before. They still got the little microphone thing up there. Smart drive TM. Yeah, I have no idea what that's for. The thing in the corner and that up there, I guess, is all the same. So, alright, yeah, anyway, that's that. Probably do a video a little bit later on. This is going to be my first load in 3 months, 6 days, I think it is, 5 or 6 days. It's kind of nice to be back at work, actually doing something. Anyway, I gotta get to it. I gotta check the permit book and pre-trip this truck. I don't know this truck, so I gotta check a little bit of everything, including on these 2019s. The power steering cap likes to break, so definitely want to check that before I go anywhere. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please comment, like, rate, and subscribe. Content to come. I just have to find all my GoPros and get them charged up. So it's going to be a little bit of a process, but here we go.